Hello children, kinds of nouns. In the previous class I have taught you proper, common and collective nouns. Today you will learn about material and abstract nouns. Now you see the examples given here. Anita wanted to buy some jewelry in gold. We bought many articles of wood to decorate our house. Iron is a very useful metal. Now the underlined words gold, wood, iron, these words are material nouns. Because these are materials, these are substances which are used to make things. Like gold is used to make a bangle, gold is used to make a ring, gold is used to make a necklace. So gold is a material noun. Wood is used to make many articles. Wood is a material noun. Iron is also used to make many articles. Iron is also a material noun. So material nouns are names of materials or substances used for making things. Now proper, common, collective and material noun, these nouns are concrete nouns. Because we can see them, we can touch them. These four are concrete nouns. Now the fifth type of noun, abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are not concrete nouns because we cannot touch them. Like the beauty of any hill station increases tenfold with snowfall. The elephant has great strength. Teachers are required to act with a lot of patience. Now beauty, strength, patience, these words are abstract nouns. Because these are not concrete, we cannot touch them. So abstract nouns are words that represent a quality or an idea. We can only think of them. They are names of qualities, ideas, emotions, actions, feelings and conditions. Like happiness, this is abstract noun. Knowledge, it is abstract noun. Wisdom, it is abstract noun. Truth, it is abstract noun. These all are abstract nouns. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty word is abstract noun. Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Wisdom is abstract noun. So these were all 5 kinds of nouns. Now children, nouns can be countable as well as uncountable. When we can count the nouns, those nouns are countable nouns. When we cannot count, they are uncountable nouns. Like boy, flower. Flower is a countable noun. We can count flowers. We can count scale. This is what scale. This is a countable noun. So nouns like country, countries, countable nouns can be singular as well as plural. City, river, boy, glass, army can be counted. So these are countable nouns. Generally, most of the common and collective nouns are countable. Common and collective nouns are countable. Proper nouns are uncountable because they are name of particular person, place, animal or thing. So they are uncountable. Common and collective nouns are countable. Now material nouns are uncountable. Like wood, milk, tea, ink, these are uncountable. We cannot count milk. We cannot count water. Water is uncountable. We cannot count tea. Tea is uncountable. But you can count a ball. If 4 balls are there, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball word is countable noun. Water is uncountable noun. So, material nouns are uncountable nouns. Proper nouns are uncountable nouns. Common and collective nouns are countable. Abstract nouns are mostly uncountable. Mostly these are uncountable, but sometimes they are countable also. Example, opportunity. Opportunity is abstract noun, but sometimes it becomes opportunities if it can take plural form. Memory, abstract noun. We can write memories also. Idea can also be countable. Ideas. So some of the abstract nouns are countable. Mostly they are uncountable. countable. You can see now the example given here. Otherwise also it depends on the use of the word in the sentence. Like the example given here. This jug is made of glass. This glass word here is uncountable. But in the second sentence, I have taken 3 glasses of milk. Here glass is countable. So it depends on the use of the word in the sentence. Glass is a material noun. But here it is countable. Okay. So in the first sentence it is uncountable. In the second sentence it is countable, like stone. This house is made of stone. Stone is uncountable. But if you say the child threw a stone at the dog, then here second sentence stone becomes countable noun. That was all for nouns. Here we end all 5 types of nouns and countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you.